Assalamu Alaikum guys, I pray you're all well. And straight off the bat, this isn't a very well planned out video, so my apologies first and foremost. It's kind of coming towards the end of Ramadan and my wife's at work, so I thought I'd prepare a nice iftar for when she gets in. And to be fair, I wasn't planning on filming this, but such is life nowadays. You end up taking pictures for Instagram and short videos for WhatsApp to send to friends, which when pieced together builds a pretty decent video opportunity. Anyway, today I'm cooking up some simple chicken skewers, lamb chops and shami kebabs with a few select sides. Recipes which are of course inspired by my experiences working in professional kitchens. Now I'll be sharing the specific recipes and instructions for prep in other videos to come. Just wanted to take this opportunity to mention though, we're now on Instagram, so go follow us please at Loving Family Diaries. Now, you know, I've never been one for social media, but what with the lockdown last year and the catastrophe that is COVID, it kind of got me thinking about life in general and my choices in terms of avenues of income, as well as social interaction with friends and family, and it's kind of struck me that this is the way forward. I think to some degree anyway, we've all got to embrace the digital era and take from it that which will benefit us. Now, don't get me wrong, I still think there's tons to stay away from for the sake of your mental and spiritual well-being. I suppose technology is a bit like alcohol in the sense that there is definitely benefits to consuming it, as is proven of course by medical science, but at the same time there are social drawbacks which can kind of be overwhelming, which leaves it in a position where the drawbacks outweigh the good, perhaps being the reason for why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forbid us from partaking in the act of drinking. And I think the same sentiment can be applied to tech in that there is definitely good, but sometimes the bad outweighs it, and it's important we see this and accept this. On that note, if you enjoy our videos, please do consider subscribing and dropping this video a like. Me and my family really appreciate it. And with Eid around the corner, I first and foremost would like to wish you all Eid Mubarak regardless of what day you're observing it on. I pray for all those that are celebrating Eid, you have a fantastic time with your family and friends, and I certainly hope you're all able to secure some time off, even if the concept of the lunar calendar does baffle some. And I especially want to request that you all remember our brothers and sisters suffering all around the world, especially those brothers and sisters facing oppression in Palestine. May Allah ease their suffering. Ameen. And until next time, Salaam.